Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a hairstyle video, woo woo, and I'm going to be showing you how to get this hairstyle. It's a French braided space bun, super fun, really easy to do, and I also show you how to do it if you don't know how to French braid, because not everyone can do that. So I make sure I cover all the bases. Easy, so make sure you stick around and let's get right on into it. Alright, so before I get started with my hair, shameless little plug here, I did film this makeup look tutorial, so if you want to go and check it out, it's my quick and everyday makeup look that I do almost every single day, depending on how much time I have. It took me like literally 5 to 10 minutes to get this all done, and I'll link it right here for you, so just click this little box and it'll take you right to it. Okay, let's get right into it. I don't know how this is going to work filming wise. I think it's going to be a little bit tricky, but I'm going to figure it out because my filming space, if you follow me on Instagram, which you should, I'll link it here, you would have seen, if you follow me on Instagram, that my filming space is very, very small. I'm literally in a corner of my apartment right now, but I'm liking it. I think it looks good. I'm gonna take my hair down. I didn't really do anything to it, which is the best way to do it, and it's 3-day hair, 3-day hair. So second day, I don't even know what day it is, but it's like in no way styled at this point. So the first thing I'm going to do, every mom's secret weapon, is dry shampoo. Spray that all throughout my roots. I'm using the Dove Care, is that what it's called? Dove Care Between Washes dry shampoo. I don't love it, I'm being totally honest, but it's what I have, so it's what I'm going to use. This hairstyle will work if your hair is clean, like freshly washed, then it won't work as well, so you kind of want dirty hair for it. And what I'm going to be using today for this hairstyle are little teeny tiny plastic elastics. You're going to need a comb to separate, and that's it, really, super simple. We're doing braided space buns. I'm going to show you how to do it with a braid, or if you don't know how to French braid or you want something a little different, I'm going to show you how to do a fake braid. So the first thing you're going to want to do, I'm going to pull my mirror closer here. I don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah, okay, cool. Okay, first thing you're going to do is you're going to part your hair either down the center or off to the side, however you want to part it. I'm going to part it straight down the center. And I guarantee it's not going to be straight. This was the one thing that I was awful at when I worked in a hair salon. Okay, separated. I'm going to pull all of that to one side here. I'm going to show you how to do it with a French braid first, and then I'm going to show you how to do it with fake braid, so make sure you stick around for that. So I'm going to turn around. We're going to do the best that we can here because I don't have a mirror behind me. It's going to be really fun. So I'm going to start by taking top third of my hair. You're going to split it into 3 sections as you would with a normal French braid, so 1, 2, and 3. And then you're going to just start French braiding it all the way down. Don't know how this looks at the front, so this will be really interesting. Let's see here. Oh, okay, not bad. And you're going to braid it all the way down to the nape of your neck. Taking one of those teeny tiny little hair elastics, you're going to tie your braid the nape of your neck. Just like that. So now that you've got one braid in, you can go ahead and do the other side. I'm actually going to show you how to do it if you don't know how to braid. So that's what we're going to do on the other side right now. Okay, so if you don't know how to braid, you're going to need a whole lot more of these little tiny elastics. But once you figure out how to do this, it's actually a lot faster. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to start the same way. You're going to start by sectioning off 2 little ponies. So you're going to start with one here, and you can make it tight because we're going to pull it apart after. And then flip that up and do another one directly below it. And tie that. Once you have those 2 ponytails, what you're going to do is you're going to split the first one down the center, so you can see this, just like this. You're going to pull the second one up and over, and you're just going to clip it up out of the way. I'm just going to use a bobby pin because I don't have any clips on life. And then taking another little elastic. Now, once you've clipped up that second ponytail, what you're going to do is you're going to take those two separate pieces and you're going to tie them into another ponytail together, but you're going to grab below, so you're going to make another section, another mini ponytail with it, just like this, and then tie it. Okay, now take the top piece out very carefully, okay, and you've got something that looks like this. Okay, then you're going to pull this apart. Now taking that second ponytail, which you just let go of, split that down the middle, wrap it around, pull that new ponytail that you just made up and out of the way, pin that up, and do the same thing. So take these two pieces and create another ponytail below, grabbing some new hair. Let go of that top ponytail, that, and then pull apart the new one that you just made, like this. Okay, and then you're going to repeat that all the way down. Just like that. So now you have this really nice like fake braid, and you're going to take the last two ponies and we're going to tie them together so they make one ponytail. Okay, so here's what the two look like with the braid and then with the fake braid. You can do either or, depending on your preference or what look you're going for. So now for the space bun part. This part is super simple. You're going to take your ponytail, hands, I'm just going to twist it around itself like this. Tie it with another one of those small elastics. And create somewhat of a messy bun with it, okay? Same thing here. Tie it around itself. Okay, good. Now the fun part, super simple. You're just going to take that ponytail, you're going to pull it apart from the inside, just like this. You're going to make it all messy. Then any pieces that feel like they don't really match or too much, you can just like tuck away with a bobby pin. So I'm going to take this piece because I think it's probably too much. I'm going to tuck it like that. So from there, you can pull your braid apart if you need to. You can pin any of the pieces that look like they're kind of out of space or out of place. So I'm going to pin this piece here, and you can just hide it in the braid. That. This piece I'm actually going to redo. Tuck that away. Okay. And that's it. It's like so simple. It's so easy for you to do, and depending on where your comfort level is, you can do either or. Some people may find that the side with the fake braid is easier for them. Others may find the French braid easiest, but that's it. And this is a hairstyle that I like to do when I'm feeling like I want something a little bit different than a ponytail, but I don't want to spend a lot of time on it. So super easy, super quick, great for moms or busy ladies who have a lot of things to get done. If you are interested in this makeup look, I did film a video just before this with it, so make sure you head on over to this video here. I'll link it right there for you, and check it out because it's my quick and easy everyday makeup look for all the busy ladies out there. I got you. Yeah, and that's it. Thanks for joining, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe and you like and turn on the bell notification. Everybody says that on YouTube. I'm pretty sure it's worth it. So I promise to be posting more videos soon. I post new videos, hopefully. I'm trying to post new videos every week. We'll see where that goes. But thanks for joining. I'll see you next time. Bye.